Hey guys, it's Alex, Alpha Kilo Warrior. In this episode, we have an approach, landing, and departure on runway 18 in Meriden. Check it out.
Gumps check.
Meriden traffic, Terminal 618 Juliet Whiskey, departing runway 18, departure to the northeast.
Meriden Traffic Warrior 59 Foxtrot is now over top Meriden at 2000. We'll be heading east for the Teardrop for 18 Meriden. Has departing traffic in sight. Alright, we're over the top now. Making a descent.
Sirius, are you going to stay in the pattern to 060,000?
No, we'll be heading to the northeast, departure to the northeast.
Yes.
We got the traffic in sight. We got the traffic in sight. There we go, he's good. We're at 1600. We're 1 mile away.
Airplane over Meriden now. What altitude are you at right now?
We are at 1,600. We have you in sight off our right wing tip.
Okay, great. I'm going up to 3,500, so.
Yeah, I'm not a factor for you, sir. Have a good flight.
Thank you. You too. Bye now.
1,500. .8, we're going to loop around for the Teardrop, 1500. Meriden Traffic Warrior 59 Foxtrot is making the right turn from the 45 for the left downwind for 18 Meriden. Alright, we're 2 miles out. We're looking for the run to 45 here. That now do is 1100. .5. Meriden Traffic Warrior 59 Foxtrot, left downwind 18 Meriden. Pump side line outside, make sure full ridge. Left downwind for 18. Alright, 1200, 100 feet high. There always to be a beam. We're going to be close here. 100 feet field elevation. Alright, we're north, we're a beam, so power's going to 15. No, 1 notch in. Two notches in. Meriden Traffic Warrior 59 Foxtrot, left base 18 Meriden. We're high, so there's another notch. Coming up to final. Meriden Traffic Warrior 59 Foxtrot, 3 final 18 Meriden.
I didn't know this at the time, but coming in for landing, throttle, when I put it to idle, it was 200 RPMs higher than normal. You'll see what happens on this landing. I float a little bit here. I didn't know it at the time.
Power's idle. Gonna pull down to, what is that, Bravo? Meriden Traffic Warrior 59 Foxtrot, we're pulling off on Bravo, taxiing back to runway 18 Meriden. Open this up. Open and open. Cool, get some air in here. Okay.
Now that we pulled off the Bravo taxiway, I want to give a shout out to my friends Chris and Philip at Meriden Aviation. Give these guys a call or check out their website if you're interested in flying. They run a great flight school down there, and I flew in Meriden from 2008 to 2010, so this place also has a place in heart, just like Tweed. And they have a flight school at Tweed, New Haven also. Give them a call today and tell them Alex from Piper Warrior sent you.
Alright, ready to go. Electric fuel pumps on, landing lights on. Mixture's full rich. Car is off. Latched. Windows closed. Meriden Traffic Warrior 7259 Foxtrot. We'll be departing runway 18 where we're going to head back to Hartford, making a left turn. 2000. Nobody's on final. Good. With the runway, full power. Right rudder. Runway heading. Watching the speed. 60, rotate. Good for 79. There's our 79, trim for 79. Meriden Traffic Warrior 59 Foxtrot on the go, upwind 18 Meriden. $500. $600. Looking for
Major BC, northbound 1000.
For 18. Left turn. Meriden Traffic Warrior 59 Foxtrot, left crosswind, departing to the northeast, Meriden, 2000. Departing to the northeaster, we just left Meriden. Heading Hartford. We're at 1,000. We're looking for 2. There's Hartford. Here's the instruments. We want to head toward that magenta line. Still climbing out.